Welcome to the new Springford Area School District iPhone app. A mobile app may serve many different groups of people, each with their own unique needs. Students, parents, and teachers may want to use the app to view homework assignments, see when the next big game is, or get in contact with a teacher. Currently, the Springford app is only available in the Apple Store. First, open your App Store and search for Springford Area School District. Once downloaded, open the Springford app. From the home page, you can access the district calendar, news announcements, your account, and a main navigation menu. Let's start by logging in with your unique login credentials. Your login name and password will be the same as your faculty, student, or parent portal. The new app offers single sign-on to your group space, so be sure to select the Remember Me option. Now, click the arrow to the right of the calendar. We will take a moment to learn how to view more events, filter to a specific school calendar, and to subscribe to iCal feeds. Start by selecting List or Month View. Let's look at the Springford School Board calendar. Simply scroll to the school board calendar to view October meetings. You can also click Calendar Feeds to subscribe to a calendar. You will be prompted to export the calendar directly into your iPhone calendar app. Let's click Back to return to the home screen and update news settings. You can filter to a specific school or search for an announcement using a keyword like Homecoming. Each news announcement with the keyword will appear in the feed. Let's take a look at the menu options. You can access your group space, calendar, the athletic schedule, contact the school district, view the staff directory, submit a friend watch referral, and view the Springford social media accounts. You can also enable push notifications, ensuring you will receive important updates, like snow delays. Start using the new Springford mobile app today.